So now we are going to discuss about the numericals related to spherical mirror in your exercise. Okay. So what is the first numerical? That first numerical is related to the concave mirror. So let us see that question. What is that question here? A small candle 2.5 centimeter in size. Means what is the height of the candle here? Height of the candle is 2.5 centimeter. Here candle is the object. Is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Is placed at what distance? 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 36 centimeter. So here object distance is less than radius of curvature. Object distance is less than radius of curvature means where is that object? So next we are going to find that one by using ray diagram. Next, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? To get the clear image, so where we have to place the screen in front of the concave mirror. Okay. So next one, describe the nature and size. Nature means whether it is real and inverted or virtual and erect. Size means whether it is magnified or diminished. The next, if the candle is moved closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to be moved? If the candle is moved closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to be moved? By observing ray diagram, we are going to give the answer. Then, see here, what is the solution for this one? Which mirror is given? Concave mirror is given. It is a concave mirror. Then pole. The line which is passing through the center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. Now I will take it is a focus and it is center of curvature. So distance of the center of curvature from the pole is nothing but radius of curvature. So what is the radius of curvature given? Radius of curvature given, that is 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter. So here it is in which direction? It is in the opposite direction of incident light. Means it is along the negative x-axis. Negative x-axis means I will take radius of curvature as negative. That is minus of 36 centimeter. Minus of 36 centimeter. It is the radius of curvature. Why the radius of curvature is taken as minus of 36 centimeter here? So here the center of curvature is at the left side. Left side means is on the negative x-axis. Or otherwise, by using the sign convention, the radius of curvature is measured from pole to the center of curvature in the opposite direction of incident light. If we are going to measure the distance in the opposite direction of incident light, that distance can be taken as negative, minus of 36 centimeter. Next, what is given? So the object is placed at what distance in front of the mirror? At the distance of 27 centimeter. So what is object distance given here? I will take here. So see here, what is focal length now? Focal length is minus 18 centimeter. Focal length is how much? Minus 18 centimeter. So 27 centimeter is greater than 18 centimeter and less than 36 centimeter. Means where is the object? Object in between C and F. Object in between C and F. Why? Because here the object distance is greater than focal length. Means greater than 18 centimeter and less than 36 centimeter. Already you know that 27 is greater than 18 and less than 36. Okay. So means where is the object placed now? Object is placed in between C and F. You got some idea where the image is formed. Image is formed beyond the C. Where the image is formed? Image is formed beyond the C. Because object it is in between C and F. Okay. So now it is the distance of the object that can be taken as U. Object distance is given. That is how much given? That is minus 27 centimeter. And height of the object is given. Height of the object how much given? That is 2.5 centimeter. Means a small candle 2.5 centimeter in size. What is the size of the candle here? 2.5 centimeter. So let us write the given values. So what are given here? So radius of curvature given. By using radius of curvature, we have to find focal length. So how can we say object is placed in between C and F? Already I said that object distance means 27 centimeter is greater than focal length. Focal length is 18 centimeter and object distance is less than radius of curvature means 27 centimeter is less than 36 centimeter. So distance of the center of curvature from the pole of the mirror is called radius of curvature. Okay. So now let us solve the problem. First we are going to write the given values. So what are given? A small candle 2.5 centimeter in size means height of the candle is given, means height of the object is given, that is plus 2.5 centimeter. Plus 2.5 centimeter. Then is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. What is the object distance given here? It is minus of 27 centimeter. Why it is minus of 27 centimeter here? Object distance is measured from pole to the position of the object. It is in the opposite direction of incident light. If the distances are measured in the opposite direction of incident light, that distance can be taken as negative. That is why it is minus of 27 centimeter. Then next, radius of curvature is given. So radius of curvature is given. What is the radius of curvature given here? 36 centimeter. What is radius of curvature? It is the distance of the center of curvature from the pole and it is measured in the opposite direction of incident light. Then radius of curvature is also negative. That is R is equal to minus of 36 centimeter. Then next we have to find out position of the, means at what distance we have to place the screen to get the sharp image, means we have to find the position of the image. So means we are going to find the image distance, but by using radius of curvature we have to find focal length. So focal length is half of radius of curvature, that is R by 2. R by 2 means it is minus of 36 divided by 2. It is minus 18 centimeter. So what is the focal length of the concave mirror here? Minus 18 centimeter. Because to find the image distance we require focal length and also object distance. Then what is our aim? Our aim is to find the position of the image, means where we have to place the screen to get the sharp image. So that is image distance. Now let us solve using mirror equation. Using mirror equation. So what about mirror equation? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. So what we require now? We require v. Okay, means image distance. I will modify this formula. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus of 1 by u. 1 by f minus of 1 by u. So what is f given? Minus of 1 by minus of 18 centimeter. Then minus of 1 by, what is u? U is minus 27 centimeter. It is minus 27. Okay. So it is minus 1 by 18 because plus by minus minus. Then minus by minus, that is plus. So plus 1 by 27. Take the LCM. LCM is 27 18s, that is 486. It is now 1 by b. Just it is 1 by b. It is 486. Then 18 27s are 486 and 27 18s are 486. Then it is minus 27 plus 18. 27 into 1, 27, but minus is there. Minus 27 and 18 into 1, that is 18. That is minus 27 plus 18. Then minus 27 plus 18, that gives minus 9. It is minus 9 by 486. But what we required? V required. Just interchanging the numerators and denominators. So here V is in denominator, that comes to the numerator, and 1 comes to the denominator. Here 486 is in denominator, that comes to the numerator, 9 comes to the denominator. So now we are going to write it is minus of 486 divided by 9. What is the answer? It is minus of 54 centimeter. So where we have to place the screen to get the sharp image here? From the pole at a distance of 54 centimeter. Okay, means where the image is found. Image is found beyond C because image distance is greater than radius of curvature. Radius of curvature 36, but image distance how much? 54. Means the image is found beyond the. It is image. Image is found beyond the center of curvature. Then we got one answer. Means at what distance we have to place this screen to get the sharp image? We have to place the screen to get the sharp image at the distance of 54 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. Okay. So now we have to write this one in sentence. How to write this one in sentence? Screen has to be placed. Screen has to be placed at a distance. At a distance 54 centimeter. 54 centimeter to get from the pole of the mirror. From the pole of the mirror. From the pole of the mirror. And again there are two sub questions are there. What are those? So describe the nature and size. To find the nature and size we have to find magnification. What is magnification? M is equal to minus of V by U, that is equal to HI by HO. HI by HO. Minus of V by U is equal to HI by HO. Then I will write HI is equal to minus of V by U into HO. Okay. So V is known. What is V? Minus 54 we got. What is U? Minus 27. And what about HO? That is 2.5 centimeter. So minus of 54 minus of minus 54 because already minus sign is there, divided by U is minus 27. Then into HO. HO is how much given? Height of the candle, that is 2.5 centimeter. Then minus into minus plus. So 54 by 27, that is 2. It is minus 2. Minus 2 into 2.5. Because minus into minus plus. Plus by minus minus. Minus 2 into 2.5, that is minus 5 centimeter. So what negative sign indicates here? The negative sign indicates that the image is inverted. If the image is inverted, then it is real. Okay. So negative sign indicates that negative sign indicates that the nature of the image is real and inverted. Real and inverted, and also magnified. Because 5 centimeter is greater than 2.5 centimeter, means compared to the size of the candle, size of the image of the candle is more, that is 5 centimeter. It is magnified, and also it is magnified. Okay, and one more type of question is there. What is that? If the candle is moved closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to be moved? So see here, whenever the candle is beyond C, where its image in between C and F. Already you studied about formation of image by concave mirror. When the candle beyond C, where its image between C and F. If the candle is at C, so where its image is at center of curvature only. So if the candle in between C and F, where its image is formed beyond C, means as the candle moving closer to the mirror, the screen has to be moved away from the mirror. What is the answer for last one? If the candle moved closer to the mirror, the screen have to be moved away from the mirror. So, if the candle moved closer to the mirror, the screen have to be moved away from the mirror. So, write down that one. Okay. So, there is no space for that one. So, write down. So, let us solve second numerical. So, what is that second numerical? A 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror. Which mirror given here? Convex mirror is given of focal length 15 centimeter. So directly they given the focal length value. If they given radius of curvature, you have to find the focal length. But then directly they given the focal length. Then give the location of the image. Means we have to find the image distance. And the magnification. Magnification means m is equal to minus b by u equal to hi by ho. If it is positive, then the image is virtual and direct. If it is negative, then image is real and inverted. So let us find that one. Next, describe what happens as the needle moved farther from the mirror. Means if the needle is moving away from the mirror, how should be the image will be moved? Okay. So let us discuss all about this one by using ray diagram. So already you studied about the formation of the image by convex mirror. So if the object is at infinity, where its image will be formed? So its image is formed at focus. So when the object is brought near to the mirror in between infinity and so anywhere between infinity and pole, then where its image will be formed? Its image will be formed in between pole and focus, and it is always diminished and it is always virtual and direct. So let us discuss. Solution. Which mirror given? Convex mirror is given. Then it is principal axis. So a 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from the convex mirror. At what distance the needle is placed here? At the distance of 12 centimeter. Means the needle is placed near to the mirror now. So where its image will be formed? So its image will be formed in between pole and focus. See here, it is pole and it is a focus and it is center of curvature. First ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the light undergo reflection. This reflected ray appears to be came from the point. That point is called focus. And one more incident ray. That incident ray is incident at pole. After reflection, the reflected ray reflects obliquely. Means the ray reflects obliquely. So this ray appears to be came from a point behind the mirror. So here the image of the needle is formed. Here the needle is the object. So where the image of the needle is formed? So image of the needle is formed in between P and F. If the needle is moved further from the mirror, I will take this needle to the infinity. Where its image will be formed? Its image will be formed at F. So its image will be formed at F. When I will take this needle to the infinity now. Means the needle is moved further from the mirror. Its image also moved away from the mirror. Okay. So this is the answer for last sub question here. Okay. Now let us solve. Object distance given. Object distance how much given? That is 12 centimeter. It is plus or minus? It is minus. Why it is minus? Because the object distance is measured from the pole in the opposite direction of incident light. If the distance is measured in the opposite direction of incident light, that distance can be taken as negative. Then focal length is given. So focal length is measured in the direction of incident light. Focal length is measured in the direction of incident light because your principal focus is at the right side. Means it is on the positive x-axis. Means focal length can be taken as positive here. So is just like a origin. Okay, so from the pole, this side positive x-axis and this side negative x-axis. On the negative x-axis object is there, and on the positive x-axis focal length is there. Okay, that is why focal length can be taken as positive. So listen here, for the concave mirror focal length is negative, and for the convex mirror focal length is positive. So let us write the given values. So what are given? Size of the needle is given, means height of the needle is given, that is 4.5 centimeter. And next, at what distance it is placed in? It is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter, but it is minus of 12. So why it is minus of 12 centimeter here? Because object is placed at the left of the pole. Means left means here on the negative x-axis. Negative x-axis means object distance can be taken as minus 12 centimeter. Then focal length is on the positive x-axis. Means I will take it is plus 15 centimeter, because focal length how much is given? That is 15 centimeter. Then what is our aim? Our aim is to find the position of the image. Means location of the image. Location of the image and also magnification. Okay, let us solve by using mirror equation. What is mirror equation? Using mirror equation. One by f is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u. Okay, so now what we require now? B required. Then 1 by b is equal to 1 by f minus of 1 by u. So minus 1 by f is how much given? 15 centimeter given, that is plus 15 centimeter, because focal length of the convex mirror is positive, because it is at the right side of the pole of the mirror. It is 15. Then minus of object distance is minus 12. Then minus plus, it is 1 by b is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12. What is LCM here? 15 12 that is 180. 15 12 that is 180. Then it is how much? 15 12 180, 12 15 180. Then it is 12 plus 15. Okay, so 12 into 1 12, then 15 into 1 15, then it is how much? 27 divided by 180. Then but it is 1 by b, we required b, so b is equal to 180 divided by 27, that is 6.66 centimeter. So you got the image distance is positive. So you got the image distance is positive means image is formed behind the mirror, and it is in between P and F, because this image distance is less than focal length. 6.66 centimeter is less than 15 centimeter. Means where the image is formed? Image is formed in between P and F, and it is formed behind the mirror. Then next, what we have to solve? Magnification. What is the magnification formula? That is m is equal to minus of b divided by u. So by substituting the values, m is equal to minus of 6.66. Okay, because b is plus now, so b is plus 6.66 centimeter, and here minus into plus, again it is minus, divided by object distance is how much? Minus 12. Then you will get minus get cancelled. So 6.66 divided by 12, you will get the answer less than 1, because the numerator is less than denominator. The answer will be less than 1. It is about 0.55. And magnification has no unit. Why it has no unit here? Image distance is measured in centimeter. Object distance also measured in centimeter. Centimeter get cancelled. Okay. And one more question. What is that question? Describe what happens as the needle moved further from the mirror. As the needle moved further from the mirror, its image also moved away from the mirror. Okay, like this. When the needle is near to the mirror, where its image is formed? In between P and F. When I will take, if I will take this needle to the infinity, where its image will be formed? It is at focus. Means it will be shift from in between P and F to F only. Because so the needle is moved further from the mirror. As the needle moved further from the mirror, its image also moved away from the mirror. Its image moved away from the mirror. So, to solve such problems, you must know the formation of image by concave mirror and also convex mirror. Then only you will get some idea how to solve the problem. Okay. So, this is the numerical related to convex mirror.